In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Zapier. We'll begin inside your Monday.com account because the first thing you need for this connection is your API token. This token acts like a secure key that allows Zapier to communicate with your Monday.com workspace. It gives Zapier permission to access the data needed to create the integration, so it's important to keep it private and only use it in trusted platforms. Once you're logged into Monday.com, click on your profile, then go to Developers. From there, select API token. When you open that section, you'll see the option to copy your token. Go ahead and click Copy, and keep that token ready because you'll need to paste it into Zapier in just a moment. Now switch over to your Zapier account. Make sure you're already signed in so you can create the connection without interruptions. On the Zapier dashboard, click Create, then choose Zaps. A Zap is an automated workflow in Zapier that connects one app to another. It starts with a trigger, which is the event that tells the automation when to run, and then you can build actions from there. Before moving forward, rename your Zap so it's easier to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple automations. After that, click on Trigger. In the app selection area, click the Browse All box, type in Monday.com, and then select it from the results. Next, click on Choose an Event. In the search field, type and select New Item Board. This trigger is used when you want Zapier to react whenever a new item is created in a board in Monday.com. It's a useful option if you want to automate follow-up tasks, notifications, or syncing data with other apps as soon as a new entry appears. After selecting the event, sign into your account. Zapier will ask you to connect Monday.com, and this is where you'll paste the API token you copied earlier. Paste it carefully into the required field, then click Connect. Once the connection is successful, click Continue. From there, choose the board you want Zapier to monitor inside Monday.com. In this example, select Contacts, then click Continue to confirm the setup. At this point, your Monday.com account is connected to Zapier, and you're ready to continue building your automation from that trigger. Just remember to double-check that you selected the correct board so your Zap works exactly as expected. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.